Let's go, Rickles.
Playing the Beast of Beverly Hills. Mr. Don Rickles.
That lady's here.
What a night. Who are we honoring? And I'm just delighted. I must say, pardon me, I'm just delighted. Because I always wanted to meet Henry Fonda. Henry Fonda. You and Jesse in the barn with Frank, the whole thing. With Jackie Cooper, you were so good, Henry. God bless you. Now it's time to quit. Anyway, folks, I would like to say, pardon me, this is one of the greatest nights of my career. This wonderful packed night, really, to honor Lucille Ball, a great lady, a woman that I worked with on our television show, bless her heart, and she was the one that said to me, kid, come here. Jack Benny is over on the end. He didn't want to go for the table. Jack didn't want to take care of anybody. Bob Hope, as you all know, he's in the back, standing there with 3 soldiers and an American flag saying, find another war. I must be honest. I never liked Lucille Ball. I never did. No, we gotta be honest about it. All these guys come up, Lucy, Darling, Henry Fonda, Jesse, but you're my idol, Henry. Henry, are you up? You are as beautiful as ever. My wife said to me last night, as we laid in bed, she said, is Lucy young? And I said, baby, young is not the point. It's what's in your heart, right, Lucy? Lucy? Put her in a home. Look at this. The husband went, yeah. I kid. Gary, we've known each other many, many years. And you always said to me, be kind to Lucy. I say this for my heart. Shut up. I hate when a spade butts in. Now.
You say spade one more time and there'll be troops in front of your door tomorrow.
They can't do nothing because I tap dance.
His accent that he does. Oh, man.
We laugh about people. Phyllis Diller, you're a dear friend. And I must tell you, God bless you. God has given you the way you look. Do not be ashamed of it. When you were born, you probably hit the wall. But don't be afraid. Ruth Buzzy. The funny part of it is I find her attractive.
We get Rickles, man. Oh my God, his wife's gonna kill him. Wow. That's a packed crowd.